Hi there, we are at French Hand Laundry, the famous French Hand Laundry here in Pasadena, California. They do such a great job. They work with archival clothing and exhibitions and then, you know, everyday stuff. And so I trust them with my Moschino. Looks like they're decorated for Halloween here. Very cool. Let's see. But yeah, I'm gonna pick up today. We're going to take this to the Manhattan Vintage Show. This amazing Moschino coat here, which they did the dry cleaning on and the depilling and making it look beautiful. Wow, I'm really excited. So cool. Very Harley Quinn. So, very Harley Quinn. Wow, it looks terrific. So some of the stuff they did was they depilled it, they cleaned it, and what's cool here is when they clean, they take all the buttons off and then they put them back on, which is amazing. And then they attach the chain back. I just want to show you. So yeah, it's now we can enjoy this and yeah, enjoy it, sell it, rent it, all of that. Looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. So that's the main piece here today. I've got some other things. I'm getting some blankets, but this is the main one. I couldn't be more excited. So look for this at the Manhattan Vintage Show next week, October 18th through 20th, the Manhattan Pavilion. Bye.